Hey, we are going to factor by grouping, and what we have here is 12y squared plus 8y plus 9y plus 6. It is true we could add that 8y and 9y together and get 17y in the middle and factor a trinomial. But we're going to try it factor by grouping here, and I'm just going to group the first two items and the last two items together. So in that case, I'm going to look at 12y squared plus 8y, and I'm going to decide if there's anything in common between those two terms. 12 and 8 are both divisible by 4, and I can pull a y out of each one of them. So in that case, if I pull the 4y out, I will have 3y plus 2 left. And then for the second group, 9y plus 6, I can pull a 3 out. And when I do that, that will leave me 3y plus 2. And the important thing here to notice is that we have 3y plus 2 as a factor of each one of these. So depending on how you view that, you can pull that common term of 3y plus 2. It might be complicated, but it is a common term to both of these out front. And then if you factor it out of the first term, you'll be left with 4y. Factor it out of the second term, you'll be left with 3. So this thing factors into 3y plus 2 times 4y plus 3. Thank you.